death from this day on. Your face turns my stomach.
What was that? What did you say?
So, you've gone deaf too, you son of a bitch? I said that crown of gold doesn't belong on such ugly filth. What's the matter? Whoever wants to die next can come forward. Then the true King of Britannia will take your life himself.